Hello! Maayong hapon mga kabuchi. Welcome to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we will be updating or checking our mingon siya kog our. Mardis Philodendron Garden mga kabuchi. So we are now on her garden mga kabuchi. So we will check mga kabuchi. So I think last month mga kabuchi, we top we cut unsa ba to'y term ana mga kabuchi we propagate di ay ang term mga kabuchi, we propagate our gigantom, and look at them now mga kabuchi, we have two sprout, and look at the leaves mga kabuchi, oh very cute. So this is the new leaf of the baby gigantom mga kabuchi. It's very beautiful. And then ang top cut niya mga kabuchi is planted here mga kabuchi, oh. So this is the top cut of our gigantom. In the middle of our melanoni mga kabuchi na super lush, oh. Super lush na yun na ang melanoni mga kabuchi. And then napod siya another leaf here mga kabuchi, oh. So big na jud kay na siya mga kabuchi. So we have two. The other one is over there mga kabuchi. Same age, but then itong other one got injured mga kabuchi niya, damaged, and just recovered. So back to the top cut of our gigantom mga kabuchi. Look at the new leaf mga kabuchi, oh. So this is actually a reverted variegated gigantom mga kabuchi. Pero look at the new leaves mga kabuchi, oh. Marvel na mga kabuchi. So we'll see mga kabuchi if this leaf will mature mga kabuchi, if kuan ba kaayo kanang full na ang iyahang variegation mga kabuchi. So our sensation mga kabuchi, this one is getting bigger mga kabuchi, and this one mga kabuchi is getting thinner. Look at the new leaves mga kabuchi, oh. So they're getting smaller compared to the previous one, like this one mga kabuchi, oh. So this one compared to the previous leaf mga kabuchi. So it's getting thinner mga kabuchi, pero tanawa siya mga kabuchi, oh. Grabe na, super lush na gyud siya kayo mga kabuchi. And then this is our red imperial mga kabuchi. Very guapa na siya. Before it's very small. And then the green cerato mga kabuchi, oh. So, uy, what happened to the leaf? Giguntingan man. Silver splash, jungle fever. Yeah, this one is our Prince Albert mga kabuchi. Dako na siya kayo leaf. Diba? Dako pa si mong ulo, be. Butay mong ulo diha.
Tada! It's big as my head.
Bigger. And then our tricolors. So, on this side mga kabuchi, oh, very lush and very big na ang mga plants compared to the other side. Tada! So sa other side mga kabuchi, we have the silom here struggling.
And we have
This is the unsa may pangalan ni?
Golden banana.
Golden banana din ang iyang leaves mga kabuchi, kay nawala na tong sunburn. Asa mang sunburn? Nawala or ikulata mang dahon, oy. Sophia, you should watch over our plants. So this is our Choco Cardinal mga kabuchi, oh.
This is the
So gani gamay siya. Kani murag allocation ni man siguro na siya dai. This is the variegated ZZ and our black ZZ.
This is almost big as my feet. I must have my hand.
Hello, nanapod yun siya sprout day. Oh, di ay, tambis di ay. OMG. Wala pa dai siya sprout. Ay, wait. We are waiting for them to give us sprout, mga kabuchi. Oh, don't touch it. Kung sa'y panganan na. Magnificum. Anthurium magnificum. This one, mga kabuchi, dako na po mga kabuchi. This is our golden melanoni, mga kabuchi. So we are waiting for it to grow as big as our green melanoni, mga kabuchi, on the other side. And then we have the tricolors here, mga kabuchi. So tripod kapats. And then this is already the new leaf of our giant moonlight, mga kabuchi. I am also excited about these plants, mga kabuchi. I love golden plants, manggod. As well as the snowdrift, mga kabuchi. Nala siya Christmas tree nga kaladium. And then the top cut of our kuan, mga kabuchi. Kalimut mo sa puspangalan. Burgundy. So, ang top cut sa burgundy, mga kabuchi, kay na-enjoy good ang iyahang leaves. Nice. Hala, ni yellow. Tiyadan! Nganong ni yellow man ka? What happened to you? Log. Ang hapon sad. Maudi, ay, ana, dahil siya gitutol, dahil siya sa iro. Ako, mga kabuchi, na-share ko sa dog. So, I think, kanang Safia, pangitara god ang kuanday para kandos day kay kandoson tani day. Para kandos day ba kay naawa day ko ang dog dinha siya nag-dispose. Oh, aya tong green ha. So I think, mga kabuchi, we are going to transfer the Glorioso, mga kabuchi. We will transfer it to another area, mga kabuchi. And then I've seen the Majesty, the Red Majesty, mga kabuchi. Una naman siya sprout. So maybe something is wrong with kuan. Di ba dili man na sila mo sprout, mga kabuchi, if the upper part, mga kabuchi, the head is intact. Pero intact man over there ang head, mga kabuchi. Oh. So, mana siya, mga kabuchi. And then our philodendron red Congo, mga kabuchi. We also have the dwarf sensations over here, mga kabuchi. And then this is another melanoni, mga kabuchi, the choco melanoni. So, and then this one is what happened to our choco empress. So, mga kabuchi, we are going to transfer this one, mga kabuchi. Kay diri na daay nag-disposal ang dog, mga kabuchi. That's why it's turning yellow. So we will transfer this one, mga kabuchi, to another side, mga kabuchi. Murag maglisod na jud ani, mga kabuchi. Daan naman siya, mga kabuchi. So we will find a place for this one, mga kabuchi. Let's try to put it over here, mga kabuchi. So this part of the garden, mga kabuchi, ends up like a nursery because the rain or the sun, mga kabuchi, cannot penetrate well in this area. So dili na lang punta. We have another red Congo here, mga kabuchi, wherein we put coco palms, and we are still waiting for the reaction of the plant, mga kabuchi. And then we have here another Chuko cardinal, mga kabuchi. These are the early ones, mga kabuchi, that I bought from Shopee, mga kabuchi. So na-mother siya early, mga kabuchi, because it took 10 days before this plant arrived to our house via Shopee, mga kabuchi. So that's not lucky, actually. And then, we have here the spider, mga kabuchi. Oh. So, that means that this area here is safe from heavy rain because the spiders are here um, creating its own home here, mga kabuchi. And then, this is our Monstera deliciosa, mga kabuchi. Look at the leaves, mga kabuchi. Oh, wow, wapakain, mga kabuchi. And then, this is another kuan makono Milano ni man daw ni mga kabuchi, Milano ni compacta. But then we have problems because before it receives a lot of kanang rainwater, mga kabuchi, and it turned yellow. So we transferred it here, replanted it actually here. And then over there supposed to be our variegated snowdrift, mga kabuchi. But then the variegation are not yet seen, and I think we have problems, mga kabuchi. So we will try to check on it, mga kabuchi. And then this is the green imperial, mga kabuchi. It looks like green cardinal, mga kabuchi. I don't know what's the difference. They really look alike. Or maybe the green cardinal is more compact than the green imperial. I am not sure, mga kabuchi. And then here is our black cardinal, our sickly black cardinal. So it has sunburn, mga kabuchi, here. And we are waiting for the next leaf. We are hoping that the next leaf will be healthier na, mga kabuchi. Then another snowdrift, mga kabuchi, because I really want to have a good snowdrift. But I'm not lucky with my snowdrift, mga kabuchi. They're not growing fast as I want them to grow to BDI, mga kabuchi. And then our nursery, mga kabuchi. So we have there, this is the burgundy and then the mother burgundy. So earlier I've shown you the top cut. So that's the mother, the lower cut, the lower, no. Basta that's the mother. And then we have here another black cardinal, mga kabuchi. Oh. I hope it can recover. And then we have the choco cardinal, mga kabuchi. It is supposed to be very big, mga kabuchi. But then, mga kabuchi, nakupos siya, mga kabuchi. So, let's wait for it to recover, mga kabuchi. And then, this is our only red cardinal, mga kabuchi. I bought a lot of red cardinal, but they did not survive. Only this one, mga kabuchi. And then, look at what happened to this, mga kabuchi. Oh. This is dwarf moonlight, mga kabuchi. Then, our mother tricolors, mga kabuchi. I think my sister already had got two sprout from here, mga kabuchi. So, that's gonna be the third one. If ever my sister can propagate it successfully. And then this one, I think this is sunrise. I'm not sure of this philodendron, mga kabuchi. And then this is aglomena camouflage. Then this is supposed to be our super red. Pero something is wrong with that plant, mga kabuchi, no? So we will just let it recover. And then our belite. And then our si pangalan ni Birkins. So the Birkins, mga kabuchi, really had a hard time here. So they didn't grow well under this area, mga kabuchi. And then the Eversickly, mga kabuchi, the golden serrato, mga kabuchi. Oh. So this is already very 1 year is old. I think it's already 2 years, mga kabuchi, and it still looks like a baby, mga kabuchi, because the leaves, mga kabuchi. Oh. I hope this one is healthy and the next one so that it can successfully mature, mga kabuchi. Then we have here the Otaba Ponce, and this one is nakalimot na ko sa iyang pangalan. Amplissimum. Variegated amplissimum. Okay. There's still a variegation, mga kabuchi. So I think it's getting healthier, mga kabuchi. We will just wait for it to climb all the way up. And this is another red Congo, mga kabuchi. This is the oldest of the red Congo I have, mga kabuchi. Boom, mga kabuchi. And this is our red heart, mga kabuchi. It's like recovering. So I hope it can successfully recover, mga kabuchi. We'll just wait and see. And these are the princesses, mga kabuchi. This is the white princess and the pink princess. So we have two pink princesses, mga kabuchi. I just planted them this morning, mga kabuchi. So I am hoping that they will climb up, mga kabuchi, and produce good leaves with good variegation. And this is our marble. Kalimot na masid ko Ang tano na po, mga kabuchi. This is marble. Basta this is still a type of giganto, mga kabuchi, the variegated one. So I forgot the name. And then this one is the ring of fire, mga kabuchi. So I hope, mga kabuchi, that it will also climb up big. And then we have a small belly tea here. The daughter of the Choco Cardinal, mga kabuchi, that becomes a mother. And then this one is the cardboard. Then this is supposed to be our variegated giant moonlight. And then this is another, the red cardinal, the green cardinal, mga kabuchi. I think I was not able to save the plant, mga kabuchi. It's raining, mga kabuchi. So this is my Sanadu, the golden Sanadu, mga kabuchi, and then another ring of fire here, mga kabuchi. So I hope that it will survive the La Nina, mga kabuchi. It always rains, mga kabuchi, and this is some Mayui and Dragon Tail combo, mga kabuchi. So I hope they will also survive the La Nina, mga kabuchi. And over there is Anthurium. I forgot the name. Then we have another snowdrift here, mga kabuchi. Then we have here the newly planted, mga kabuchi. So Royal Queen, and the other one, the elongated, more elongated leaves, the Dark Knight, mga kabuchi. So my vision is for them to climb up and then produce so many good leaves, mga kabuchi. And then I have here look at our green Congo, mga kabuchi. I think this one is going to be a success, mga kabuchi. So I love green Congo, mga kabuchi, because of its leaves. It feels like avocado. And then our black cardinal. So I hope that it will grow healthy, mga kabuchi. Though we have problems here, mga kabuchi. We have problems here. But I think it's getting okay, mga kabuchi. And then we're now back outside sa nursery, because that area, mga kabuchi, feels like our nursery. Majority of the plants over there are struggling. And then we're back with our black melanoni that looks like a red imperial. And then I also have problems with this one, mga kabuchi, our orange marmalade, custard orange marmalade, mga kabuchi. I think it's not doing well, mga kabuchi. As well as this one, mga kabuchi, the Wix Red, mga kabuchi. I also think it's not doing well. Look at the leaves turning yellow. And then I already transferred here this plant here, mga kabuchi. I don't know what's the name. I forgot. And then this one, the Another Majesty here, Black Majesty, and my Florida Beauty that is no longer a beauty, mga kabuchi. I put it back here, mga kabuchi. And then this one is the Squamiferon, and this one is the Florida Ghost, mga kabuchi. And then this one is our Paraiso Birdie and the Cerberus Sword. So, the weather is no longer good, mga kabuchi. Oh. So, we're actually waiting, mga kabuchi, for the plants here, mga kabuchi, to become lush and be more attractive than the other side, mga kabuchi. Oh, paparadyo to ang other side. It's beautiful. That group of plants are all lush and getting healthier, mga kabuchi. Unlike in this area, mga kabuchi, the plants are still struggling, still on its way to grow, mga kabuchi. And they are slow growers, so maybe we can see them bloom by December pa, mga kabuchi. So, mga kabuchi, this is going to be the end of our philodendron update from Mardy's Garden. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.